Are you ready to take your programming skills to the next level? Do you want to learn a language that's versatile, powerful, and in high demand? If so, then Python for Everyone is the course for you. Python is everywhere in our digital world. It's the language behind the apps on our phones, the websites we browse, and the software we use to get things done. With Python for Everyone, you will learn the advanced skills you need to make your own dynamic and interactive web applications, just like this. Python is also a powerful data analysis and visualization tool, making it an essential skill for anyone interested in fields like finance, healthcare, or scientific research. And with Python for Everyone, you'll learn how to automate tasks and workflows, freeing up your time and energy for more important work. With Python expertise under your belt, you'll be ready to take on new challenges and unlock a world of opportunities in tech industry. Whether you're looking to advance your career or start something new, Python for Everyone is the course that will help you get there. So why wait? Sign up for Python for Everyone today and join the millions of developers around the world who are using Python to build the future.